Hi, I'm Mr. Barton, and I'm going to talk to you about space and planetary science, an elective you might consider taking next year. As the name implies, space and planetary science is broken into two major parts. During the first semester, we will study the Earth and the other planets and objects in our solar system. You will learn how to read rocks and surface features of the Earth. We will explore natural phenomena such as earthquakes, volcanoes, and hurricanes. By understanding these things, we can begin to draw conclusions about what the Earth was like in the past, how it formed, and what it might be like in the future. We will then apply our understanding of the Earth to other planets and work toward understanding why they are in some ways very similar to Earth, but in other ways very different. During the second semester, we will expand our study to space beyond our solar system. There is an incredible amount of variety among the stars in our galaxy. Some are very young and highly energetic, others are many billions of years old and are on the verge of undergoing spectacular explosions or simply fading away. In just the last few years, astronomers have discovered that many stars have planets orbiting around them. More and more of these extrasolar planets are being discovered, and it is believed that more than a few are very much like Earth. We might have already discovered a planet that is home to life similar to that around us, or perhaps one that will someday be home to our distant descendants. In addition to these, we will study the variety of exotic objects in space, such as neutron stars and black holes. As the second semester progresses, we will move even farther away from the Earth and, as it turns out, even farther back in time as we study galaxies. Whole systems of billions and billions of stars, the light from which has traveled hundreds of millions of years to reach the Earth. We will also explore the history of the universe and what its ultimate fate may be. Throughout the year, we will learn about the methods human beings have devised to study the universe around us, from prehistoric structures to the latest high-tech observatories. We will also learn about human exploration and travel in space. As for prerequisites, students are required to have taken freshman physics and chemistry. Over the course of the year, we will draw from much of what you have learned in previous science classes. Most of what we do is conceptual, but you will encounter some simple algebraic equations. An understanding of geometry and an ability to work with angles is also necessary. For this reason, the math prerequisites are algebra and geometry. Homework in space and planetary science will consist partly of traditional types of assignments, a few nights a week, textbook readings and questions, worksheets, that type of thing. Also, you will be expected to attend evening viewing sessions. We have some really nice telescopes. And visit local science centers and nature sites on your own. Overall, space and planetary science is a course for students with a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world around them. Maybe you wonder about how the universe began, or what its future holds, or wondered why life is so abundant on Earth while there are few signs of it elsewhere. Maybe you want to know what a black hole is and what might happen if you encountered one. Or maybe you're just someone who finds yourself looking at the night sky and experiencing a sense of awe. If any of these sound like you and students you'd like to work with, then space and planetary science is for you.